Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can curve tags in Canva around the image. So guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva canvas. So there is the two method. I will show you one by one. In first method, let me add one text here first. Okay, this is my text and let me add one image here. So I just add image. Okay, so this is my image. So let me place this image at the place middle. Now just select your text and just keep at top now and just make it to middle. Okay, you make sure this red line come, means your text in middle align. Okay, on page. Now select the text, go to the effect, here the shape, go to the curve, and under the curve you need to drag it. Okay, and just drag till this this tags perfectly curve around this image. Then just come back. Now you can see this text has been curve around the image. The second method is, what you can do, go to the application here and type search here typecraft. This typecraft app will be open. Just open it. Here you need to write your text. Okay, from here you can change your font. Here you can change color, your text color. And now just scroll down and go to the wrap effects. Under the wrap effects we need to click on customizations. Here we need to select that this vertical, and select that middle dot and make your text curve like this. Here you will have more control on your text and you can curve your text as per your requirements. You can see we have more control on this text. Once you're done, go to the add to design. It will be add. Now you can see it, you can place it. Okay, if you want to customize, come here again. Go to the custom, customize your text again, and go to the update elements. The elements will be updated. So that is how we can make curve around the text around the image. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.